GZK unboxing here. This one looks like it got smashed pretty bad. Totally sealed. Not open. Rubber bands. I'm not going to count to make sure there's 500 or however many there was. This one I am excited to use. Gonna have to get it together. That is an archery release. And this one you guys will be seeing. Looks like it's 2 meters of 2050 tube. That was thrown in. They're a lot bigger than I thought. But these look like they're gonna be fun. That red, you guys, that's gonna be easy to see. They're just pointed, but I forget how many I got, 20, 30. Forget if I did 2 or 3 10 packs. 1, 2, 3. So yeah, I did 3 of them. So there's 30 darts. We'll see how these ones shoot. I love that big nub on there. I'm also gonna put some release loops on some to shoot it with. The archery release. So stay tuned. You guys will be seeing this stuff soon. We have a dart weight of 13.6 grams or 210 grains. Let's go shoot now. Well, folks, the GZK new red darts have destroyed the target. So from now on in dart videos, you will not see this region, as I will have to shoot other sections. Destroyed it. Remember, folks, shoot safe, shoot straight. God bless.